How to automatically and manually add tags to your contacts on System.io. How to automatically and manually add tags to your contacts. In this video, you'll learn how you can automatically and manually add tags to your contacts. You will need a System.io account. A tag. How to create a tag. 1. Add tags automatically. To add tags automatically, you need to create automation rules. Find our previous videos on automation rules. Note that you can also add them to the resources of your payment page. How to create an order form/payment page. 2. Add tags manually. Go to the menu, click on Contacts, then Contacts. Number 1 in the image. Then select the contact or contacts to which you want to assign the tag. Number 2 in the image. Then click on More Actions. Number 3 in the image, and choose Add Tag. Number 4 in the image. Choose the tag you want to assign to your contact. Number 5 in the image, and click on Add Tag to save. Number 6 in the image. We do provide onboarding help if you join System.io with our affiliate link. http://tinyurl.com/review System.io. Find more details on https://helpussystem.io/article/348 how to automatically and manually add tags to your contacts.